In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a list of tags in Asana. Tags are a really helpful way to organize and filter your work, but they can be a little hidden if you're not sure where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to open the tag list, starting from any task in your Asana workspace. First, make sure you're logged into Asana and that you've opened the project where your work lives. Once you're inside a project, look at the list or board of tasks in front of you. To begin, choose any task you'd like to work with. It doesn't need to be a special task. Anyone will do. Click on that task to open its details. When you click, the task details will open either in a pane on the right side of your screen or in a separate window, depending on your Asana layout. Take a moment to let that load and then look closely at the information inside the task. You should see things like the task name, assignee, due date, and description, along with any subtasks or comments. Now, what we're interested in are the tags connected to this task. In Asana, tags usually appear near the top of the task details, close to the task title, or in a section labeled with the word tags. If your team actively uses tags, you might see colored labels or small chips that represent different tags, like